loves, and welcome back. In today's video I am joining Hilary from Old World Home in her quarterly challenge, the $5 Goodwill Challenge Fall Edition. And right behind me I have the piece that I'm going to be revealing in just a few.
Welcome to My Happy Home, where I bring you DIYs, hauls, home decor, thrifting and much more on a budget. If you're interested in these types of videos, then please like, comment and subscribe.
So you guys, I want to take this time to thank each and every one of you, my old and my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate your love and support and all the sweet comments you've been leaving me. And if you happen to stumble by my channel for the first time and this is your first visit, then welcome. My name is Arelis and I would totally love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and become a resident of My Happy Home. So like I've mentioned, I am participating in the $5 Goodwill Challenge that is hosted by Hilary from Old World Home. And if you're not familiar with Hilary's channel, I will leave a link of her channel in the description box below. And if I have the possibility to the playlist, I will link that as well. So Hilary does this challenge every 3 months, and this edition is the fall edition. And yeah, I picked up a very nice item, you guys, and I came across it. I was so happy, and I thought, yeah, this would be good for this $5 Goodwill challenge. So without any further ado, let me share with you what I got. And here is the piece that I'm going to be using for this challenge. I picked up this Hurricane, you guys, for only €3.95, and I was happy to come across it. It is such a good piece, you guys, good bones, and it is quite heavy, and the glass is quite thick as well. And I don't know, but sometimes yeah, I really would like to have a set of something when I thrift, but yeah, that is not always possible while thrifting. So it would have been great to get 2 of these, but they only had 1, so I decided to pick it up anyway. But what we're going to do now, or what I'm going to be doing first, is I'm going to be cleaning it up. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty, so we're going to clean it up first, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to be using this in my fall decor.
I am going to be using this Fiorina metal polish, and I thought at first it was Dutch, but it's actually made in Germany. I'm not sure if you can see it, but you guys, this stuff does miracles. You need just a little bit and it cleans up every piece of dirt. And as you can see on the yellow cloth that I have, I've used it several times, and it gets off all the dirt from any type of metal. And you just need to use just a little bit and just polish it up till it shines. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but I wanted to share with you this piece that hasn't been polished yet, and this piece here that is already shining, but I will show you in a bit a better part. Now hopefully you can see the process a little bit better. Here I'm just taking a little bit of the polish, and I'm just going to softly rub it on the metal and then just polish it up. Here's the space that I'm going to be decorating. I have these 2 lamps that I thrifted a while back. If you missed that, I will leave a link of the haul in the iCard up and in the description box below. And here is another thrifted item, you guys. My cute owl. I love him. I thrifted him about 3 years ago for only €5. And this guy never goes into storage. He travels my home all year round. So yeah, he is going to stay here for the fall season. Now let's get started. Now here is the Hurricane all polished up, you guys. Can you see the difference, how it is shining? I am so happy with this piece. I'm gonna start by using this small cake stand to elevate the Hurricane a little. And I thrifted this fall swag and I got it I think a couple years back. And I love it because it's not of that bright orange but more of a toned down brown and green color. And here I'm trying to use it as a wreath around the Hurricane. If you know me, then you know I love to decorate with pine cones during the fall and the winter season. Instead of doing a regular candle in this Hurricane, I am filling it up with some pine cones. And this cute burlap pumpkin was a DIY I did 2 years ago. Then I'm just adding some more pumpkins around the Hurricane. Now a couple days ago I went shopping and I picked up these super cute fall frosted leaves. And you guys, that doesn't really make sense to me. Frosted fall leaves, because during the fall it doesn't freeze. Well, not around here anyway. But I thought they were so cute anyway. So I just decided to add them to this centerpiece. And to bring in a little bit more of the green color, I'm adding these eucalyptus stems. And here you have it, guys, the end result. I am so loving how this turned out and all the fall vibes that it's giving me. The pumpkins, the pine cones, the leaves, and of course the fall colors. I hope I could have given you some inspiration how to decorate your home for the fall season. So I want to take this time to thank Hilary for hosting yet again a wonderful challenge, and I cannot wait to join her on her winter edition. Now don't forget to check out the playlist and all the other participants and creators that have joined Hilary on this challenge. So for now I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I see you in my next one. Until then, remember to always live, laugh and love. Bye!